mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns...
What is going on, guys? So I just got my decals from gear plug. Boom, there you go. Yeah, so I'm unboxing right now. Boom, so I got the box open, pretty good shape. Got the wing decal and then the side decals for the car. Looks pretty good. So time to put it on. Thank you again, bro. You were amazing. Can't wait to buy some more stuff from you. So I look forward to it. Alright guys, so originally looked like this. I took the backing off right here. I'm out working in the parking lot on my lunch break doing this. Because I'm going to leave for Subaru Fest after work, so I'm just trying to get anything done on the car I can get done. So I put the tape on, transfer tape. I'm doing about a thumb each right there. So I'm going to kind of eyeballed it, and then this kind of just stuck and it wasn't coming back up, and it was already starting to peel some of the names off. So it's going to stay right there. Hopefully it's about even. But it looks pretty good. Thank you to the guy that did all this for me. I will put your name in the description or somewhere in the video, but here we go. So one thing that I've already done is I've already taken this guy and kind of went over every single part of it that I could. Try to get air bubbles out the best you can. If you can't get all the air bubbles out, it's not a big deal. As long as this is down, that's really what matters, and then you go back over it basically anyways. So make sure you have a sharp angle. That way you don't damage any of the leathers for picking them up. Just go slow and steady until you are done. Boom. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go back over it with this guy a little bit, and with my fingers. There's one that's a little creased. I'm going to fix that. So there we go. Alright guys, so I got most of the air bubbles out. It's hard to get all of them out, honestly. I might have to get a knife and just puncture a few of them, small little ones or something. But there we go. I wasn't able to finish this. I still need to wrap this, black it out, and put the red WRX in here, and also wrap this whole piece in the forged carbon. But the work in progress, and then I have to do this guy still. So once all that's done, it'll kind of all flow together a lot more.
'Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.